So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the Q1 earnings of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're inside of the Yahoo Finance application, it's fairly straightforward. Select a stock of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead here, go to the bottom, and press on the Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN. For this demonstration, once that is done, just scroll down a little bit to where it says Summary, Analysis, and Financials, then press on Financials. Once you're here, just scroll down a little bit and press on More. Actually, there's a whole bunch of different options here you can select from. You can view the holders, the events, etc. But we're going to go ahead here, as I mentioned before, just press on where it says View More and press on Earnings right here. So as you can tell with earnings, you can actually view the Q4 earnings, the Q1 earnings, the Q2 earnings, Q3, and Q4 of the past year. So obviously Q4 of the past year hasn't came out yet. That's coming out in February. But if you're at a certain point where you want to view the Q1 earnings of a specific stock, it'll show up on the screen. And yeah, pretty straightforward. This is how to view the Q1 earnings of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.